Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to use Canva in case you guys aren't familiar with it. So you want to go ahead and make an account and log in. You'll be brought to this homepage here. And to get you started, you want to go ahead and hit create design. And most likely you will be sticking to this Instagram post, Facebook post, or just generic social media post. So we'll go ahead and click one of these, and what you'll see come up are a bunch of templates. You can start with a template that exists already, or you can start from scratch right here. If you do want to start with a template, just be mindful that they say free here, or like this one doesn't have anything, so that has a cost associated with it. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. You can see here they're easily customizable. I can click on this area here and see these different colors and add our Keep Awesome Beautiful colors if I would like. Go ahead and click on the background too, and you can change that and make it white if you would like, or any color that you want. If you'd like to add graphics or any other photos or elements, you can go here and do some searches. Again, be mindful of the ones that are free versus the ones that have a cost associated with it. If you want to go ahead and use the text that's there, the font, the style, you can go ahead and do that, or you can go ahead and just search all of this down here and see the different kind of text options that they have, or just insert your own heading and go from there. The Keep Awesome Beautiful Day fonts are not in Canva, so the closest ones are Railway, which is R-A-L-E-W-A-Y, or Lato, L-A-T-O. And you can use those, or feel free to use whatever fonts that you would like to personalize your graphic. If you'd like to add a background, there's a whole variety of backgrounds here sorted by color, which is really nice, and most of them are free. So go ahead and play around there. And then, of course, you can upload your own photos. If you want to start with something from scratch and then upload a photo, you can drag it around, have the photo there, put some text over it. Get creative with that, however you guys would like. If you guys downloaded our logo branding kit, you should also be able to upload some logos here. You're going to want to upload the PNG files rather than anything else because it has the clear background next to it. And so if I go ahead here, add the Keep Awesome Beautiful green, add this, which is our Keep Awesome Beautiful Day t-shirt logo, then you see that clear background just kind of adapts to any color that you put behind it. So have fun exploring that. And the last thing I'll show you is just how to get the colors specific to Keep Awesome Beautiful if you're interested in having those to use. So you go back to the home page, go to the brand kit, and then here, the brand colors, you can go ahead and there should be an add button over here, similar to this, that you can just add another color. Go ahead and use those hex codes that I gave you in the toolkit, put them there. And then once you do that, you'll see all three colors here. And then once you are looking for making a design, once you go to the colors, you should be able to see your brand colors down here for easy access. So have fun making designs if you guys would like. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Thank you.